Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video we are to show you how to check which CPU or processor you have in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very easy. Firstly click on start, tap here this PC. So right click on properties. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method. If you want to check which CPU or processor you have in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update. And please comment this video how to check which CPU or processor you have in Windows 10 PC or laptop. This video is useful or not? Please comment. Thank you for watching.